That's it. Right, everyone. We are going to do something another little bit different now. Mr. and Mrs. Chinnery are going to go head to head on doing an omelette challenge. It's not a speed thing. It's a taste thing. And all of us are going to taste it and see which one's best. And we've got there's 4 of us to test it.
Half-term takeover.
So it's what is it? So it's a 2-egg
cheese omelette.
2-egg cheese omelette. Go.
Rookie error, Laura.
It's not speed.
It is.
Oh, is it?
And now we wait for the hob to warm up.
Is your panny off?
Yeah, it's sizzling. Sizzle, sizzle.
Sizzle, sizzle.
Are you trying to nobble me by turning my hob off?
I'm trying to nobble, yeah, always.
More cheese. More cheese, Vicar.
I'll make this look easy. I'll make this look easy. You can't make an egg without cracking an egg. I'll make this look easy.
Don't flip egg at me.
Would I?
No, you get
Yeah.
disqualified if you start flicking eggs in.
When he got smashed one of his head and he had 2 in the bowl.
Make sure it's cooked.
So you're both using exactly the same ingredients?
Yeah.
Yep, eggs. Can't make an omelette without cracking eggs.
So eggs and the same cheese.
Same cheese.
You will be amazed at the difference. Don't talk to me about sophistication. I've been to Leeds.
A fine city.
Oh,
There you
well
wiggle.
Well
done.
done, Mr. Chinnery.
done. Yeah, Mrs. Chinnery set fire to the place.
Put in the tea cakes. Where's he off to?
Take his
Oh yeah, can't we put the pan back on the hob now?
pan back over there. Oh, done.
Beautiful.
Mrs. Chinnery, done. Right, let's get
Ta-da!
set up for
Right.
the taste test.
Okay.
Right, guys, let's get into it. So, Lucas, do you want to go first, or do we all just want to go for it at
I'll go
once, or
first.
what?
I'll go first.
Right, go on then.
Go on then.
Should we go that one?
Child. No, you're not a child, I am.
Don't use knife and fork at home, but you need to go through it.
I don't think you use your fingers as well, we don't mind.
That's green.
Yeah?
Nice. I mean,
You go. Yeah, well, you've got to taste them both, haven't you? Right, go on then.
Tastes like cheese on
One's laden with cheese.
Yeah, go on.
Alright.
You have to leave some for us, like.
I'm getting it all of it. It's dad.
Look at the camera, Pete.
You're never going to put all that in your mouth in one go.
Yeah,
Yes.
go on, go for it.
Ah.
Yeah, okay.
Just go for it. Yeah.
She has had a lunch today.
I like to.
Is it good? Tea?
Yeah? Right. Oh, we move it along.
Keep it pushing.
Keep it moving. Keep it moving.
I'm
Go on, Marcy.
Lucas is thinking that's gorgeous.
Which one? Yours hasn't been touching yet.
Have you tried it yet?
You can go
I'm
on.
finishing the other mouthful.
Come back. Go on.
No, you have to.
Come on.
Go on. Go
You'll
on.
be surprised.
Just go for it, babe.
Oh, did you put your
Try
name?
a bit. That looks like relatively solid.
Look at Lucas's face.
Lucas, did you try some?
Yeah.
All right.
What did you think to it, Lucas?
That
We
one.
don't. What?
Presentation wise.
No, not about presentation.
No. Taste. Didn't even take time to taste it.
Very peppery.
Oh.
Oh
You
no!
should put
Don't.
It's not worth it, Marcy.
It's not worth it.
Bottom is very peppery. Still good.
Oh, look at the big lump of cheese.
Can I get the last bit of this?
She's very peppery.
Honestly, I can't complain though. Pepper is good. At least it's not salty or sweet.
Salt and pepper at my salt and
Oops,
pepper.
accidentally put sugar in instead of salt. Yeah.
Ooh. Right. Okay.
Go on then.
How are we going to do this then?
What the verdict?
Lucas,
Yes.
this one.
Yeah.
Yep. You have to give a score out of 10? Yeah? Out of 10. So this one, out of 10. And someone can be like
Oh no.
tallying these up.
Sevion.
I've got a piece of
7?
paper.
Yes.
7 out of 10 for that one.
So that's me, is it?
Yeah.
Alright, see.
I think we'll give Penelope the final score because she's quite happy eating this one. So Lucas, this one
12.
a 12.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Ah,
a 10 then.
that's a
'cause
10.
that's
It doesn't
10.
look as nice. but
It's
so
not about
much-
how it looks; it's all
There's
about
so
how
much
it
more
is.
flavour in it.
Mhm.
It's-
Right. Marcy, this one.
I think. Oh. I think. I preferred this one. I think.
You're
Right.
gonna have to tell me what you mean by this one because I'm trying to keep.
Oh,
score
yours,
here.
by the way. I always do yours first.
Thank you.
So Mrs. Chinnery's first.
That's
Mrs.
Mr.
Chin.
That's Mr. Oh, is that Mrs. Chinnery?
That's Mr. Chin.
That's Mr. Chinnery.
Mr. Chinnery.
Everyone was your
This is
father's.
Mr.
Right,
Chinnery.
look, Marcy,
Oh.
score for the white plate.
Score for this one,
Great plate.
the grape one.
7 also.
7 also, and for this one,
5.
a 5. Ooh.
It's alright.
All right.
Have you got scores from Penelope?
It was very wet.
No.
She's gonna go last.
Okie dokie.
So I'm giving this one a solid 8.
Woo!
That's Mrs. Chinnery, solid 8, and I have to give that a 9. I have to because that was really tasty. Don't know why. I think you might have stuck in an extra bit of cheese
No.
or something.
No,
No.
I put loads of cheese in it.
Oh,
Yeah,
right, yeah.
there is half a
Yeah,
block
that's
sat on the side of the plate.
probably why then, because I really do like cheese. Right, Penelope.
5 million and 6.
No, out of 10, darling.
Out of 10, this one, Mrs. Chinnery.
10.
10.
Oh, thank you, darling.
Mrs.
What about
Chinnery.
Daddy's?
10.
Oh, there you go.
And the winner is...
And the winner
I
is.
don't know.
The scores on the doors are.
Oh.
Oh, what?
Oh. 32 points to me.
Yeah.
Woo! 34 points.
Oh,
to
one.
I am immortal! I have inside me God of Kings!
Yeah!
Oi.
Bacon.
Okay.
Firm handshake. Well done, sir.
well done,
Good
sir.
game, good
Thank
game.
you. Good game, good game.
game.
Right, well then that concludes this video. So excellent. Thank you very much, guys, for watching.
Wait.
Bye.
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 Taste sensation.